Do you know the value of capital Z? Now I want to mention the value of capital Z here. Capital Z's value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Look at this value. This value is very important. While solving numerical problem, we have to use this value. Sometimes may be given in the numerical problem, sometimes may not be given. Remember this, Z equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. How this value is calculated is beyond the limit of this class. It's directly mentioned. That's why we are not going further. This is the completion about the capital Z. What is it? What is the meaning? What is the value? Now I want to go through small z. There's big difference between capital Z and small z. Small z, the symbol small z is acceleration due to gravity. Now we are starting acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, and it is symbolized by small z. Capital Z, gravitational constant; small z, acceleration due to gravity. Let's say this is a place, and this point of the place is at certain height, and this is the ground. When a body is dropped from this height, it will drop in this straight line and falls down on the ground. And if we observe its motion, how it falls down, then we can see very clearly that its velocity goes on increasing and increasing and increasing. When the velocity of an object goes on increasing, then the body is said to be accelerating. That's why acceleration is produced on this body, and acceleration produces on a body only when force is applied on the body. But we haven't applied the force. Now, why this body is accelerating? Acceleration never produces without the force, but the body is accelerating. Then how force is applied on this body? Actually, force is applied on this body by the earth. Earth is constantly pulling this body towards its center, and this force is called gravity, and because of this gravity the body accelerates, and that's why the acceleration produced due to the gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. Look at this. After 1 second, at first its velocity is 0. After 1 second its velocity will be 9.8 meter per second, and after another 1 second its velocity will be 19.6 meter per second, and in another second its velocity will be 29.4 meter per second. Look at this, velocity goes on increasing. If we observe it very nicely, then what we get is velocity keeps on increasing and increasing because acceleration is produced, and this acceleration is because of the pulling force of the earth, and the difference of velocity in every second is 9.8 meter per second. Here also the difference is 9.8 meter per second. Here also 9.8 meter per second, and the body is accelerating. This acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, which can be defined like this. Acceleration produced on a freely falling body due to the gravity of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. Now look at this, freely falling body. Don't forget to mention this, acceleration produced on a freely falling body, but this is because of what? Because of the Earth's what? Earth's gravity.